Hey gorgeous, welcome back to the channel. My name is Chelsea. Gorgeous, you are welcome. So today I will be sharing with you this gorgeous hair that I'm wearing from nabeauty. Please, before you go, don't hesitate to subscribe if you haven't and click on that bell icon. Without wasting time, let's head on to the video. And by the way, this video is sponsored by nabeauty hair. The wig came inside this cute box. How gorgeous is this packaging? There is a card on it, all the instruction about how you can care for the hair. There is wig cap on it. This is a gift. And elastic, that's elastic band, extra elastic band that you can attach to the wig if you want. And a tweezers. Now about the wig. The wig is straight lace front human hair with pre-plucked hairlines, Brazilian hair wig. 16 inches, front lace, 150 density. Pre-plucked hairlines with baby hairs. It has 4 combs, one at the front, one at the back, 2 by the sides. With healthy, breathable, neat nets and adjustable caps. You can see the baby hairs, natural baby hair. The hair looks so soft. Like I said, this is 16 inches. I won't hurry, dear. No shedding, no smell to it. I blocked the parting a little. You don't need to do this, it's not necessary if you like, but I decided just to block it a little and I'm applying roots to it. You can see as I'm brushing it, no tangle, doesn't tangle, doesn't shed. So I just did little tweezing to it, twist little hair from it. In the sweet despair, I find something true that I like. I won't stress you, dear. I know that you made up your mind. After that, I twist little from the side just to make it more natural. Although even if you don't do this, it's okay. I just felt like doing this. It's not necessary. Like if you don't know how to do this, you can just skip that. It's just the way I want to play with the hair. That is why I am doing this. After that, I had to cut the excess lace. Don't take it. Take it, just don't take it. So I'm sizing it to my ear side. You can see because the lace is ear to ear. Lying, I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating. So after measuring, I have to glue it down. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be. Then I tied it. I left it for about 5 minutes. I removed my hair band. Then I added mousse to it, brushing it back. You can see the way the hair is just, you're brushing it without stress. It doesn't tangle, it doesn't shed, so soft, easy going. You don't stress yourself brushing this hair, combing the hair.
You always posting the pictures, trying to look like you winning, or look like you always be working, soaking the moments you live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus.
You can see I'm going in a zigzag motion, following my hairlines. You don't have to cut it straight, because if you cut it straight, it's not going to look natural. Just go in a zigzag form. I don't know if that makes sense. When you're trimming the lace, when you're trimming the excess lace, you can see the front of my hair, my hairline.
Hey, I ain't worried about what's the wave, only worry about me. Yeah. Oh, I'm taking time out to be and live.
So now it's done. I use got to be glue to glue some parts that are showing, because when after trimming the lace, I saw that some parts are showing. I really wanted it to look natural, because this hair looks so natural.
You got devotion, dancing slow motion. My eyes can't help looking at you right now. So much emotion, just pick your poison. Is every move you make even allowed? Can't get enough. I try my best to look away, but I can't stop. Am I a freak to you? We almost touch. I feel your body move my way, you're close enough. So
And the back as well, I forgot to tell you that this wig, you can pack it for a ponytail, because at the back too there is lace at the back, like I showed you at the beginning. So I glue the back as well. You can see I just pack it up. You can leave it, pack your hair like this. I just glued it down, then I tied it again, waited for some time, for about 5 minutes more, for it to dry, tacky and lay flat.
closer, night's almost over. I might just ask you to leave now with me. Can't get enough.
And that is it. I added mousse to it, just to soften the front, so that it will be easy for me to brush everything back, because of the glue that I added at the front. And I brought out my baby hairs. Even if you don't bring your baby hairs out, you can just leave it like that. You can just brush everything backward, then you leave it that way. If I decide to bring out little baby hairs, just little, not much.
You are all I see. Can't take my eyes off you. You know what I mean. Can't take my eyes off you. You are all I see. Can't take my eyes off you. Take my eyes off.
You guys can see that it's very, very tiny, because I really wanted this hair. I want the hair to look natural. Then I added the concealer of my skin tone to the pattern.
You got the motion, dancing slow motion. My eyes can't help looking at you right.
You can use a concealer, you can use a bronzer, you can use anything that goes with your skin tone.
Loud, can't get enough. I try my best to look away, but I can't stop.
Then I give it a little shine. I straighten the hair.
So I say, can't take my eyes on you. You were all I see. Can't take my eyes on you. You know what I mean. Can't take my eyes on you. You were all I see. Can't take my eyes on you.
I use a hot comb, make the front real flat.
Can't take my eyes on. Can't take my eyes on. Can't take my eyes on you. Can't take my eyes on. 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 Your head's turned. You make my heart burn. It's like I'm awake inside of a dream. You're getting closer.
And that is it. You can see how gorgeous is this hair. This is just like my natural hair. Guys, I did not end there, so I decided to apply this Colorista hair makeup by L'Oreal. It's not a permanent hair dye. You can wash it from your hair. Whenever you wash your hair, it will just go off. So I added this. This is just something that you can is a makeup that you can just apply on your hair. Whenever you wash your wig, it will go off. It's not permanent. I coiled the hair and you can see it change everything. You can see the color purple. I so much love this. I love the color. I like it so much. You can see I just added that to the hair and coil it, and that is it. That is all I did to this hair. So if you want to get this hair, I'm going to leave all the details you need about the hair on the description box. Check that out. This hair is so good. It looks natural, soft, no shedding, no tangle. If you get this hair, you will never regret it. So that is it. I hope you guys like this video. Please, before you go, don't hesitate to subscribe if you haven't, and hit on that bell icon. Like I said, I will see you guys in my next one. Once again, thank you Nice Beauty Hair for sponsoring this video. Bye guys, love you.
Always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG.